For wood CNC end mills, we have 5 sizes of end mills. We have 3 mm, we have 4 mm, we have 5 mm, we have 6 mm, and we have 8 mm. Let's take a closer look of the inside of how they look like. Here's a closer look of every bit. The 8, 6, 5, 4, 3. At a closer look. Let's take the 8 mm and I can show you a closer look of it. This is the bit. It looks like this exactly. It's a 1 flute. It's a 60 mm length. And then we have the 6 mm. It looks like this. It's a full length, a straight shank also. And then for the 5 mm also, and for the 4 and for the 3, that is how they're supposed to look like at a closer look.